Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you guys can tell in the title, you guys already know that I got the Haus Laboratories Stupid Love palette, and I am so freaking happy. When I saw this, and I was like, oh my god, I have to film with it now. Like, I was like, I gotta do it. Like, I have to. And I had seen this online, and when I first saw it, I was like, okay, blues and oranges. I'm like, how can you create a look with this? But I'm gonna show you guys. So when you open it, it looks like this. It looks like this, and it has really beautiful blues here. I am obsessed with this blue. Like, it's really beautiful. And then this orange. So these kind of stand out to me. They have so many shimmers. So, and it comes with this little paper, and it's like kind of like transparent. It's actually really cool. It's actually really nice too. I really like this. I kind of like it on top here. It would have been cool if it just opened like that. I don't really care for the mirror. You guys could have the mirror. You guys don't. It doesn't really matter, you know. But I actually like the way this kind of looks. But yeah, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and like put up a picture of the swatches here so you guys can see. I'm gonna swatch them there for you guys, because I just want to get in here and play. Like, that's all I want to do, and I'm so excited. So this is launching, I think it's a May 19th, and it has 18 shades, guys. This is also a high pigmented, multiple finishes, weightless, and cruelty free. So this is so good. So I am for sure going to be playing around with the orange, the blues, and some shimmers here. Not all of it, but I want to just do something colorful and bold for you guys. Oh my god, I don't even know if I'm ready for this. I was not expecting. I haven't even touched this. Like, I have not touched this at all, and I am so excited. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this palette. What are your guys' thoughts when you guys first saw it, like on Instagram? If you guys saw it there, if you guys saw it somewhere else. Anywhere you saw it, just let me know what you guys think on the comments below. Go ahead and prime with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, because I'm going to be using color. I really want those colors to kind of stand out. So we're going to go ahead and place this right over here and just kind of tapping it in there. You guys, I am so freaking excited. I know I keep saying that, but I was really hoping that Lady Gaga would come out with like a colorful palette, and I feel like they're kind of getting there, and they're doing that. I think they're just doing it slowly. To be honest, when I saw the name Stupid Love, I was hoping that it would be like a pink palette because of like the song, and you know, like it looked very pinkish there. So I assumed it's gonna be like that, but this was like something I was not expecting. And it's okay. Like, I like when brands do that, when they kind of surprise me. It's better like that than me kind of expecting like, oh, of course they're gonna come out with a colored palette like that. But I really like this. So far, Haus Laboratories have not failed me. They have not failed me whatsoever. I'm like obsessed. If you guys don't know, I'm like obsessed with their Le Monsters matte lip crayons. They're so good. I'm gonna go in with Enemy, which is like this burnt orange right over here. I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm gonna kind of pack that to the outer corner, and I kind of want to blow that out a bit and just kind of smoke it out. As you can tell, right away we get like a really nice pigmented look there. Look at that, it's amazing. So I'm gonna just kind of blow that out, and I'm gonna also bring that down here and just kind of make it super smoky. So I'm not having any problems blending this out. I'm like loving this shade. I feel like this shade is really good. I have no problems with it. I do want to say, like any other palette, it does have a little bit of fallout here, but nothing too crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's nothing too crazy. So now I kind of want to blend the edges out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with Plastic Doll, which is this really nice, beautiful baby pink here. We're going to go in with that, and we're going to grab that. So I'm carefully grabbing it, but I just want to show you guys right here. It does have a little bit of fallout, but to me, I don't really mind as long as I try to like tap it in before I kind of go in and apply it to my eye. So we're just going to blend that out and blend the edges right here. So we're just going to blend it out and make it look very seamless right over here. So far it is looking so nice. I love the way the Plastic Doll and Enemy are blending in together. It's just very nice. As you guys can see, it's like a seamless kind of blend, and I actually like the shade Plastic Doll. Is really nice. I'm like kind of shook with it. The same thing that I did to the outer corner, I kind of want to do to the inner corner, and just kind of create a little bit of depth here and just kind of bring it in here, kind of do it very, very lightly and just kind of blend that in. I'm trying to just go like a really dope look for you guys. I could do really, really simple, but I just want to see and test this palette, what I could do with those warm and cool tones, because it is such an amazing palette so far. And I have no problem with it. I think the only thing that I have, it does have a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy so far on my eyes. Just make sure you always kind of tap before you kind of go in there. Now I'm going to go in with Plastic Doll, which is that pink one, and I'm kind of blend the edges a little bit more so it doesn't look too harsh. I just kind of give myself a little bit more depth in here. Now I want to go in with the blues. So what I want to do is I want to grab the shade Peace. I just want to get this color so bad because it's so nice. And look at that payoff right there. That is so beautiful. So I really want to just kind of pack this on to like in the middle and just kind of blend that out. And just pack it in there. So these look like they're really, really pigmented. There's some fallout. So what I want to do with this shade specifically, I just kind of want to pack it in there and make sure that I just do that instead of me kind of trying to swipe it all over the eye. Because I can get fallout to my face. And I already did my face. I did like my whole face. I don't know why I did that. Because I'm used to it. So we're just going to see what happens here. That is so cute. So next what I want to do is grab the shade Enigma, which is this baby blue here. And I'm going to kind of blend that with that Peace color there and just kind of blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh here. I don't want to blend that specific shade all the way on top here. I want to just kind of like do a little bit and just kind of smoke it out here so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm going to grab the shade Stupid Love, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be adding this to the outer corner and just kind of blending in that blue and Enemy together here. And just kind of blending it out. Because since orange and blue don't really mix, it's going to become muddy. So I want to make sure that I kind of create that a little bit more of a blend here. So we're going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and slowly blend this here. Kind of pack it out here in the corner and then blend it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Replay, which is this purple one. I just really want to play with that. And I'm going to actually use my finger for this so I can get like the ultimate payoff here. And I'm going to pack it into the outer corner here and just making sure that I blend that in. So far, that is looking so freaking nice because the brown and the blue are not going to look that well together. So we're just going to blend that in and kind of create like a nice blend here of colors. That is so cute. See how I was able to create such a colorful look with those just colors? It's just knowing how to mix specific colors, because since the orange and blue don't mix well, we do have like that pink where it can kind of blend in both colors very nicely. When you mix this pink with this blue, it does kind of give you like this purpley kind of lavender look, and that's kind of what I got going on here a little bit. Not too much, but it's like perfect, and I love that. I also want to try a different shade here that we have here. It's called Alice, which is really, really nice, and I just really want to try that because look how amazing that looks. I kind of just want to pack that right next to the shade Replay and just kind of give it a little bit more of a color here because it is so nice. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. So we're going to go ahead and tap that here as well. Look how pretty that is looking. That is stunning. And I just love the way everything kind of blends in and kind of gives like a nice shimmery eye look to this. This is so beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with this royal blue, which is Sign. And I'm going to go ahead and pack. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. It's S-I-N-E. But I'm going to go ahead and pack this here. And I'm going to be tapping that off, and I'm going to be adding it to the lower lash line and kind of blending that out. So far, I am loving the way this is looking. I just want to say this palette does have a little bit of fallout. I recommend just always make sure you tap the product off the brush and just go in very slowly and nicely, and it should be good. Other than that, like I have no fallout going on lately because I've been trying to be very careful with that. So once you see like there's a lot of fallout on the palette, make sure you always get it in your brush as well, like out of it. So when you go in, it doesn't get so much on your face. Does that make sense? Go ahead and blend a little bit of that under. So I'm going to go in with Plastic Doll, that pink shade, and kind of go in there and blend it a little bit off, just so it doesn't look too harsh. And it's going to be good because I'm blending it in with the orange and the pink that I had under here. So it's going to be like a nice, very blended look here. So for my inner corner, I want to get light up here. We're going to get this shade right here. And it's like very shimmery. We're going to go ahead and kind of apply this to the inner corner. Beautiful highlighted look there. I'm going to go in with Haus Laboratories and their eyeliner in Punk. Just so I can have a little bit of a kind of deeper outer corner going on here. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara and some lashes off camera. And I'll be right back. To finish off my look, I'm going to go in with the Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon. And I'm going to be using the shade Fire Me. It's like an orange one. And it kind of reminds me of the Stupid Love palette. Also, before I kind of do that, I want to show you guys the carton that it came with. It came in this little carton. The palette has Stupid Love in black here. And then the carton has the Stupid Love in pink. And it has all the ingredients back here. So everything you want to know about the palette, it's going to be in this little carton. I just wanted to show you guys because I got so excited showing you guys the palette that I forgot to show you guys that. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on. I just love this one so much, you guys. Out of all of them, I feel like I gravitate to this one the most. The orange one, I just really love the way it looks. Okay, so this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the look that I created. I am actually super impressed what I was able to create with this palette, because when I saw this palette, I did see like, okay, orange and blue, like how can I even blend that out? But we do have that pink. That pink is so important because that pink can blend out this and it can blend out any of these. And it does have a little bit of those purples, which look very, very nicely, and they complement so much the orange and the blue there. It's very nice to blend with those. Really love the way I was able to do this look. Creating this palette, I'm very impressed. The only negative thing I have to say about it, if I really had to be picky, is that it does have like that fallout. But other than that, like I actually don't mind it. I love every single shade so far. So let me know, you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Would you guys gravitate to this palette? Would you guys get it? If you guys are a fan of Lady Gaga, then I would recommend you guys getting it. It's a really nice palette, and it's a very wearable palette. If you're afraid of the blues, at least you're able to use a little bit of pop of color if you're on your eyelid or anything like that. I like it. Thank you guys so much, and thank you Haus Labs for even sending me this. I am so happy and so excited that I love the palette so much. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join my little fam bam. And make sure you hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, you guys could... And if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter... Oh my god, they're still not done. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys next time.